Hey friends, welcome back to Tethered and Whole, the podcast where we talk about the personal and social skills that keep us grounded, growing, and, well, whole. I'm Matt Weld, and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to talk about rituals. Not religion, not routines, rituals. And yeah, there's a difference. Rituals are defined as a series of actions or words performed in a set of way on special occasions. We tend to think of rituals as religious events in other cultures. But let's be honest, we've got plenty of our own. First day of school pictures, bachelorette parties, tailgating, holiday parties, all of these modern American rituals. Anthropologists say that rituals don't just mark time, they actually create time. They define beginnings and endings. They help us make sense of traditions and transitions. They take moments and turn them into meaning. I remember registering for the draft on my 18th birthday, walking into the post office with my dad, feeling those butterflies in my stomach. What if I get sent to war? My dad, who avoided the draft for the Vietnam War due to the fact that he was a teacher in Alaska, responded, you'll be fine. And even if you are drafted, we'll all be too worried about nuclear winter to think about it. Thanks, Dad. I also remember taking our kids out for their first quote-unquote legal drink on their 21st, celebrating the lives of my grandparents after they passed. Each of these was more than just an event. It was a ritual. Now here's the big idea. Rituals tell us what matters to a society. So ask yourself, do you have a ritual for your own well-being? Today, I want to suggest something simple, something powerful, something science-backed. I call it the daily detox ritual, and it takes less than 5 minutes. And this isn't just a feel-good practice. It's rooted in neuroscience and biology. And when you repeat it regularly, you rewire your brain for resilience, clarity, and calm. Remember, neurons that fire together, wire together. I call it Simplify, SIMPLIFY. Self-awareness, inhale, move, purge, love, improvise, framing, and yes. Let's walk through it. S is for self-awareness. What are you feeling right now? How are you feeling it? Where are you feeling it? No judgment, just notice. Because emotions are messengers. They're signposts. They tell you something's going on inside. And awareness is the first step, always. I is for inhale. Now breathe. Try box or square breathing, where each side of the square is an action. You inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4. Breathe out for 4, hold for 4. And again, don't control it, just observe your breath. Because your breath is always there to anchor you. And science shows focusing on the exhale actually slows your heart rate. Try this as your reset button. All right, M. M is move. Stand up, stretch, walk up and down the hallways, do a few yoga poses or jumping jacks. And here's why. Your muscles store stress hormones during the day, and movement is how your body lets them go. Even animals shake after stress. That's biology's way of releasing trauma. And we're no different. Your body needs to move to reset. So give it a chance. P stands for purge. All right, grab a sticky note or a scrap of paper or something out of your recycle bin. Write down the most frustrating thing from your day. Seriously, just write it down. Now read it out loud. Next, rip it up. Tiny pieces, like it's confetti. Visualization is a power tool. When you imagine letting go of that stress, your brain actually believes it's happening. Use that science to let it go. L is for love. Yep, love. In school, think back to your day. Remember all of the good things that happened during the day, even small things like Jared came to class today with his Chromebook charged. Or better yet, think of 3 ways you made someone's day better, big or small. Gratitude actually reshapes your brain. You're actually creating new neural pathways. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a tool, so use it. I is for improvise, play. Open a crossword puzzle, Sudoku, Wordle, Candy Crush, something. Give yourself about 60 seconds of pure play. It resets your brain and it triggers creativity that calms stress. We've actually been, playing longer than we've been writing. So use that instinct to reset, not to escape. F stands for framing. Now do something kind. Text a compliment. Leave a sticky note for a student. Send a kind email. Try thinking about a sticky situation during the day from the other person's point of view. This is called reframing, and it's a powerful tool of compassion. Compassion isn't just empathy. It's empathy in action. And when you help others, your own self-worth and confidence goes up. Or maybe forgive someone. Maybe F stands for forgiveness for you for today. Remember the quote by Lewis Smedes, "To forgive is to set a prisoner free and discover that the prisoner was you." That's not just fluff. That's science. Finally, Y stands for yes, the final step. Think back to your intention for the day, or maybe set one now. If you're stuck trying to think of one, try the classic, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Say it out loud, slowly. Maybe add a little gesture, something affirming. Add a breath, a mental picture of warmth or of light. Imagine sending it out to the world and then go live it. That's it. That's your daily detox ritual, your end of day reset, your 5-minute investment in you. The first time you try it, it might be awkward, but after a few days, your body will start to crave it and your brain will thank you. And your students, your colleagues, your family, they'll all feel the ripple effect too. So take 5. Simplify, reset, reclaim your energy, and walk into the rest of your day with purpose and peace. Thanks for being here. If this helped you, share it. Start your own ritual. Make it your own. And until next time, breathe, move, love, and say yes. That's it for today, friends. If this resonated with you, share it with a colleague, a friend, or someone who just might need to hear it today. You're not alone in this. We're all tethered to something. Let's just make sure it's pulling us toward wholeness. I'm Matt Weld, and this has been the Tethered and Whole podcast. And until next time, stay grounded, keep growing.